How to hide likes on Instagram Reels from others. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Instagram app. And then once we open our Instagram app, what we're going to do next is to click our profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So just click that. And then once you do that, just click the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of the screen. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to scroll down until you see Activity and Friends tab. So once you see it, all you have to do is to click on that. And then once you do that, you will now be able to see two options, which is followers you follow back and then no one. Since we want to turn it off, what we're going to do is to click on no one right here. So once you do that, that should be basically it. So that is how easy it is. That is how to hide likes on Instagram Reels from others.